According to NAR, the National Association of Real Estate, 37% of contracts fall through because of repair issues the seller could have addressed before even listing their property for sale. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and if you're thinking of selling this spring, don't let that happen to you, and here's how. Meet with a realtor who knows your neighborhood and location well. Allow them to do a quick walkthrough of your home so they can put together a project suggestion list. That way you have time to get the repairs needed done prior to listing your house for sale. Second, if recommended, schedule a pre-sale inspection. Then you have a report that allows which items to be addressed for the buyer to know as well as you to be prepared for. 3, invest in repairing the major items first, like an HVAC, plumbing, roof, foundation, or consider what allowances or negotiations in price you will want to do for those items. 4, once your home major systems all check out, then move to the aesthetics. And here's where your realtor's advice is literally gold. When in doubt, always remember, if there's one room that needs to impress the buyers, it still is the kitchen. And 5, if there's time and money with a little elbow grease left, just touch up that paint where you can to make sure you have each room looking their best, as well as maybe even a new front door cover for that curb appeal. Now, the great news is that getting your home ready to list doesn't have to be costly or overwhelming. It just takes a little knowing who to ask for that right help on what is going to be beneficial in helping you sell for the highest cost and make sure you get to the closing table after inspections. Comment below if you have any questions or feel free to text today. Look forward to hearing from you and helping you come alongside in reaching your home goal for 2022.